Hi, I'm Marna, and I'll bet you're thinking, wow, with her hair and nose and that hat, she's ready for Halloween. She looks witchy. Ha ha ha! I'll need less makeup than you. Halloween is coming, and it's coming very quickly, and I want to put that shout out again to the doll community, well, all the doll community, but especially on YouTube. I'm challenging all the other doll video makers to add some Monster High in your videos, Monster High dolls, any size, anything, slow motion, box openings, face-ups, just showing your collection, anything Monster High. What would really be cool is a bunch of repair videos. This Saturday, we're getting ready for a run that's going to come past our house, and we have volunteered to hand out, well, water. We're getting our bikes out front ready for Halloween. We have vintage and antique bikes, and we decorate those for all the holidays. And as you can see, you know, I keep saying, oh, I'm not going to buy any more dolls. I don't need any more dolls. Oh, I've got to put some of these dolls away. And here I am with a great big box opening. What do you think could be in here? If you're guessing that it has to do with the week of October 25th through October 31st, Monster High Halloween video challenge, you might be correct. I ordered this on eBay, and God love the seller. They sent it priority, and it took over 2 weeks to get here. Not their fault, and luckily it was tracked. The post office. If you're mailing Christmas this year, I would tell you get on it. Woohoo! Look what I got. Woohoo! 28-inch with shoes and 28-inch with shoes. I have a doll this size, and you've seen her in my other videos. Woo! And these two have come to join her. And one of the things I'm going to do is how to clean up dolls that come and maybe even, let's see, repair a dress. But I've already made a witch's dress pattern for this size doll, and I'll be showing those during the week of Halloween. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please make a video with a Monster High doll for the week of October 25th through the 31st. Leave a comment below, and please subscribe.